Problematic knowledge is the idea that knowledge is socially constructed rather than fixed or given. This element shouldn't be confused with problem-based learning, which largely involves students posing problems and investigating solutions or higher-order thinking. The question is, when is it useful to draw attention to the fact that knowledge itself has been produced out of particular social, cultural, economic or political conditions? It sounds complex, but think about how knowledge has changed over time. Consider, for example, different views on the history of European settlement, varying forms of measurement, how data are represented, or why one artwork is valued more than another. The element problematic knowledge recognises that knowledge is dynamic and shifting, not fixed and certain. Think about nutritional guidelines and how they've changed over time, or even what's considered to be a planet. In class, we can ask students questions that interrogate assumptions and explore a range of perspectives, even with our younger students. For example, when engaging in a shared reading, we might pause to ask students whose perspective is being presented, how we know, why the author might have chosen this perspective and what alternatives could have been considered. Or we might question with students the historical development of an innovation and its application in the wider world. When investigating the development of vaccines, for example, we might discuss which research groups get funding, whose perspectives are given priority, and how people are impacted differently. At the same time, we need to acknowledge that not all knowledge can or should be treated as problematic. 2 + 2 does equal 4. World War II officially ended in 1945, and our solar system does orbit the sun. So problematic knowledge is about the extent to which knowledge is treated as fixed, as fact, with a single right answer, or treated as open to question and constructed over time.